15 divided by 3 in bracket 1 times 5. 1 times 5, this is going to give us 5. 5 times 3, this will give us 15. Now 15 divided by this 15, this is going to give us 1. Alright? But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, board mass, B stands for bracket, also known as parenthesis, O stands for off, D stands for division, N stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and X stands for subtraction. And don't forget, we are solving this rule from left to right. So if we follow the rules, our answer is not going to be 1, okay? Most people get it wrongly by saying the answer is 1. It's very wrong. So if we follow the rules, first of all, we have to solve this bracket, which is 1 times 5. So we bring down your 15, divide by 3 times 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. So the next one is division, because division and multiplication have equal priority. So we are solving from left to right. So 15 divided by 3, this is going to give us 5. Finally, 5 times 5 is equals to 25. And this is the final answer. Alright guys, thank you.